Welcome to Tiny Garden Big Harvest. This channel is a guide to help you to easily and quickly establish a small but productive garden. If you've always wanted to have a garden but didn't think you could start one, or even have the space for one, then put your fears to rest. This channel is here to help you get started with some practical tips and DIY projects to help turn your small space into a thriving green oasis. If all you have is a small backyard, back patio, balcony, or even a sun-drenched area of the house, container gardening makes it easy to grow fresh vegetables, herbs, flowers, and even some fruit. It is one of the least expensive ways to start a garden because you don't have to buy too much equipment. In fact, some of what you need may already be lying around the house. If you have old buckets, be sure to drill some holes in the bottom for drainage. Fabric grow bags, old tires stacked up on each other, old canvas sacks, flower pots, anything that can hold some dirt, you can grow something. You can even use decorative bricks to make a small garden. Just form a rectangular or circular shape, and then stack them up, about 3 or 4 tiers high, and fill them with earth and potting soil. So, besides containers, what else do you need to start a container garden? Well, you will need good quality potting soil, some compost, fertilizer, gardening shovel, gardening fork, gardening gloves, seeds, watering can, and a journal to record your work. After you've obtained your supplies, the next step is figuring out where to put your garden. Since most plants need at least 6 hours of sunshine each day, you would need to spend some time tracking the sun's movement to see where its rays are the strongest during the day. This would be the ideal area for your plants. Access to water is another important component in maintaining your garden. Water should be easy to get to. Having a garden that's far away from a water source will not only make it difficult to water your garden adequately, but may cause you to be less likely to keep up with the watering schedule. Now we're at the fun part. What will you grow? It's easy to get excited about all the stuff you can grow, but it makes more sense to grow only those things that you and your family actually like. Sometimes new gardeners make this mistake. They grow a wide variety of things, some of which they don't really like. So be very selective about what you will grow. The next thing to consider is the time of year you intend to start your garden. This is important because some plants do better in the warmer months, and others in cooler months. An example of this is lettuce and spinach. These two veggies prefer cooler weather over hot. Last, don't overwhelm yourself with too many kinds of plants. Just try planting 1 or 2 plants to get your feet wet. That way, you can give your full attention to them, and your outcome will be better. Have fun with this, and stay tuned for more growing tips and step-by-step methods for composting, growing food from kitchen scraps, growing vegetables from seeds that you preserved, and much more. Until next time, hit the like button and remember to subscribe. God bless and thanks for watching.